Good evening. The is the biggest threat this country has faced for decades, and this country is not alone. All over the world, we're seeing the devastating impact of this invisible killer. And so tonight, I want to update you on the latest steps we're taking to fight the disease and what you can do to help. You must stay at home.
From the distractions we face from day-to-day life, this was the first time for many of us where it all came to be muted. For some of us, it left us with nothing but time. Time that we had always had, but previously always filled with these distractions. It was during this time that gave me clarity over what I wanted to do with my life. But what I didn't have was a plan. After spending some time to myself, learning and working, myself, alongside my closest mate, decided to take action in attempts of building our dream lives. After being in a lockdown for over half a year, we decided to start our first YouTube channel. And as you can tell, this video wasn't the best. But for our first video ever, we received a total of 700 views, and it was just the beginning of our next chapters. All of us collectively were down on the idea of the channel, and we all shared the same vision. So we kept producing content. Back when you could view the dislikes on YouTube, some videos really competed with the ratios, but it didn't faze us. At the time, we thought we were doing well, but now looking back, we didn't even hit 1K views on a video. But this whole channel wouldn't have been possible without its main editor, Mr. Callum Curry. You see, no one at the time even knew how to remotely edit, and this was before I even started this channel, which even then, I could only use iMovie on my phone. It was the start of something big. We just couldn't visualize it yet, or so we thought. After nearly half a year of making content, we packed up the channel. This was for various reasons, but at this point, we no longer had our joint project and no longer had a vision. After ending the previous channel, we decided to give it another go. Being a group channel again, made up of myself, Will, George and Callum, where we strive to retain our goal in trying to grow on YouTube. This time, however, we decided to up the levels and spend more time researching and editing and overall making better videos for purely entertainment. And the first video got 300 views. At the time, I'd already started my YouTube journey, but it wasn't seeing many results. And again, on this new group channel, despite some of us helping with the editing, it mainly came down to Callum running the show. Having this channel was just so much fun, and it's fair to say we've made some great memories, but it wasn't really picking up. Despite our beliefs in ourselves and putting in a lot of effort, the channel remained at just over 100 subscribers. Now over time, due to personal circumstances, me moving away and work getting in the way, we just stopped uploading. So what happened next? From a content creation perspective, we all went our own ways. I remained uploading on YouTube. George took a break from YouTube and has now shifted more to TikTok, where he's been crushing it building his new audience, but he's slowly getting back on the YouTube scene. Will had a crack at YouTube, but again soon transferred to TikTok and had instant success, where he's now in a similar position to George. And I think it's fair to say the group are collectively heading in the right direction. But what about Callum? From having been the main editor for the previous 2 group channels, Callum decided to give it a go on his own, where he posted this video as a new beginning to his channel. Now over the period of a couple months, I think it's fair to say he was a bit indecisive on the type of content that he wanted to make, which trust me, I get the same issues now. But after his first 3 videos and just a couple of shorts, his channel had a total of just 41 subscribers. That was when he decided to put all of his efforts, all of his knowledge in editing over the years, into making his next upload the best possible video that he could make. He went out of his way to learn new types of editing, new styles, new storytelling techniques, and came up with this. This video was a short documentary on Deji's road to success in YouTube, and more so boxing, and boy did it take off. It was the talking point of all of our conversations. How many views an hour did it just do? The video was growing quick, and it nearly reached 1K views per hour, until the video got restricted and it completely stopped it from getting views. After an appeal was approved, the video was fine again, but this time views no longer picked up. And for what could have been an insanely viral video from a channel with just 41 subscribers, remained at nearly 50k views. A couple weeks had passed and neither his video or his channel changed that much. That was when this happened.
It's the fact he so heavily promoted it as well.
If you haven't watched it, go watch it now.
Yeah, people have been telling me it's sick, you gotta go watch it.
That's the last thing I expected today.
The video had reached the man himself, where Deji even plugged it in one of his latest videos.
People have been telling me to watch it. I really do want to watch it. I'll watch this, but not not now. I want to like probably sit down and watch this because people have been telling me it's sick. And if you guys haven't watched it, make sure you watch it. The Rise, Fall and Redemption of Deji Olatunji.
And that's when the views started to come back. To this day, that one video that Callum made is now on 53,000 views, which is not only more than any of my vids, I've been reminded of it a lot, but it has solely got him over 4,000 watch hours and has grown his channel from just 41 subscribers all the way up to nearly his first 1,000 subscribers. So in results, this one video has pretty much completely given him the ability to monetize his channel. And as well as this acceleration of growth has opened many doors for him for loads of new opportunities. And I know that everything that's going on right now is only just the beginning. So in short, if you're watching this and you create content in any shape or form, remember back to Callum's story, as all it takes is just one video, so why not make it your next?